Hello class, welcome back to the lesson 1.3 of height of poop and length of pee. Today we're going to be doing the height of poop and the length of pee a little more in depth than the last two lessons. This time we're going to be contributed with Jonathan's work of art. So let's get right into this lesson. Today will be a short lesson because, as we all know, the midterm is coming up very soon. And I'll give you a date for the midterm today. But you'll have enough time to do it because there's still going to be more lessons coming out and more stuff to take notes on and learn. So here we go. The measurements of pissing. When we stand up to take a piss, we need to realize the distance from the toilet bowl. The average distance from someone standing to the piss stream is 1 foot or 12 inches. Here's an example. If Susie pisses 12 inches from the urinal, this is a 12-inch radius and a 6-inch diameter from the urinal. Urinals have a 0.1 gallon of liquid plus the 0.1 gallons of piss that Susie provides, giving us 0.2 gallons of piss-infested water. The measurements of pooping. When pooping from a toilet bowl, the butt cheeks stand at a height of 2 feet from the water. At this rate, the aerodynamic poop will plop into the water at a velocity of 12 meters per second. This formula is 12 divided by s minus 24. The 24 comes from the 2 feet. Everything here will be converged to inches. Here is a visual of poop. As you can see, it is very vicious and slimy. Squeeze butt, poop cum. Removing... sorry class. I'm coughing. Jonathan, did you put marijuana in my coffee? Anyways, removing chocolate from the equation. If P can be represented as PE and poop can be represented as PO, then what we represent is chocolate as. This is a new type of variable in the equation. Well, the simple answer is you'll be represent chocolate as cock. Cock is short for chocolate. So if cock is used for chocolate, you can easily tell the difference between the three variables. Connection between poop and chocolate. Poop is a very popular subject nowadays, but so is chocolate. Poop may even be mistaken for chocolate. I would know because I have eaten both. The similarities of poop and chocolate are evident, thus their equations being almost identical. However, if a question asks about chocolate, be advised it's not poop. They are similar but not completely identical. Beware, the test will trick you with questions like these. Subject of much debate, chocolate usually tastes better than poop, according to experts, and it comes in smaller amounts. I love both, however, and do have not a preference. The volume mass of pee in water. The pee's volume would be calculated as PV squared divided by 200 squared. The water is distributing the pee, and the construction of the liquid formation mass was not being satisfied. Visual representation of me versus you. Poop and pee rockets. NASA is sending cummies up to outer space. If you would like to make a pissy donation and maybe a poopy donation, feel free to donate to the McDonald's Foundation, Incorporated United Company Corporation Foundation International Education Center. Every jar of piss equals a donation of cum from McDonald's Foundation, Incorporated United Company Corporation Foundation Institutionalized Educational Center, or if you want it short, MDFIUCCFIEC. Quiz announcement. There will be a midterm on April 6th, 2021. This gives you enough time to study. Make sure you took notes, and if you don't, I will see you after school. This is the Poop Council. Do not upset the Poop Council. Well, that's it for today, class. If you have learned anything new from the height of poop and length of pee lesson, this video will be up on YouTube if you need to review any questions or answers. But the midterm is in 1 day, but that gives you plenty of time with the new materials we're having. We're still having a lesson tomorrow, even after the midterm. And that stuff will also be on the midterm quiz. Thank you, Jonathan, for helping me out with this slide because you have proven to yourself that you are actually a good student. and see you guys in the next one. Thank you and have a good evening.